question that I get a lot is, what type of life insurance should I have? There are two types of life insurance. You have term life and whole life. So I'll give you an example. I'm 44 years old, married with three daughters. What's important for me particularly is that if something were to happen to me in the next 30 years, I would want to make sure that the house is paid off, the cars are paid off, the children's education, any credit card debt, that type of thing. So I actually have a 30-year term life policy where I have the majority of my life insurance that would cover all of those expenses that I mentioned earlier. So if you have a $150,000 house and you have two cars valued at $20,000 each, and you figure that college is going to run $20,000 or $30,000 per child, if you have any credit card debt, you want to configure that in, and that would be the amount of term life insurance that you would want to sign up for. And you also want to get a whole life policy that would cover for, let's say, at least $10,000 of life insurance that would pay for the funeral expenses. Now, the whole life is the type that builds the cash value, and you can borrow from that later if you need to, but the term life does not build cash value. But the best bang for your buck is to get a term life policy and a whole life policy together.